We're going to be driving today, and it's going to be quite windy out there, so we're going to be driving, talking about what sort of problems can happen and trying to point out dangers while we're driving. So let's get driving then. So apologies if it gets quite loud because the wind's quite loud outside. So we're going to go into a dual carriageway, 70-mile-an-hour road, national speed limit. You can see the sign there. And one of the dangers is it's been quite blustery the past week. And the danger is if you're going at high speed, there's a risk of crosswinds, and that's where the wind pushes the car from the side. So you have to be prepared for that. And one of the biggest things you can do is adjust your speed. So if you feel like it's going a bit windy and the car's getting pushed sideways, then go a bit slower. That's the answer. And if you don't, you're going to risk getting the car drifting, or you have to correct the steering quite forcefully. So we're just going to go left at this roundabout. So I can hear the wind outside on the car, but there's nothing that's pushing the car at the moment. I was doing 40 there, so I didn't get the speed up very much. So you might not feel it at the slow speeds, but as soon as you get onto a faster road like a motorway or a big dual carriageway, you're going to feel the wind pushing. It could be from behind, could be the front, could be from the side. So as I'm building my speed up, I can feel the car just pushing slightly sideways. So I'm not going to push it too far. I'm doing 50 miles an hour. I think if I get towards 60 or 70, it could become dangerous. And that's what you've got to think like. Got to get yourself from A to B safely. Every now and then I hear the wind, you can see the leaves on the ground flopping about. You can't see so much on the trees because there's no leaves on the trees at the moment. I'm going left again. Now, things to consider when you're driving in high winds is high-sided vehicles. So if you're driving on a motorway or a dual carriageway, you're going to possibly come to heavy goods vehicles. And if you're going to overtake someone, make sure you got the space, make sure you got the power to go past them quite quickly. You don't want to go past them slowly, because if they start getting the wind at the side of them, they're going to drift into your lane. Another thing would be, obviously, if you're driving on a country road, would be aware of the danger of branches on the road, or even possibly trees. So I can feel the wind a little bit again. Like I say, it's not a massive thing to understand, but if you adjust your speed for the weather condition, so I'm still doing about 50 miles an hour. As soon as you get a bit of an open space where there's no trees protecting you, you might feel the wind pushing you sideways. So it's a quick video. I hope you like it. I hope it's making sense, especially when you pass your test and you're thinking, right, I'm on my car my first time. You've got to adjust your speed for the weather conditions. So safe driving on the roads, and remember, it's better to get home in one piece than to race home and not make it there.